Starting the game with a popular movie to gather initial feedback on type, year, rating, and genres. I will accept the cookie banner, click the search box, type Inception, select it from the dropdown, and click Guess. Type card is red for my guess Inception movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year is green 2010, so the target premiered in 2010. Rating is red with a down arrow, so the target rating is lower than 8.3. No genres, actors, or directors overlap. The target is a 2010 TV series with a rating 8.3, not in action/adventure/sci-fi genres. Type card is red for Inception movie, so the target is a TV series. Year is green 2010, so it premiered in 2010. Rating is red with a down arrow, so it's lower than 8.8. Genres action, adventure, and sci-fi are gray. I will guess The Walking Dead, a 2010 TV series with a rating of 8.1 and genres drama/horror/thriller. Nailed it in just 2 guesses. Knowing it was a 2010 TV series from the first guess made all the difference. The Walking Dead was a perfect fit for those clues.